Have you ever needed to remove a Google account from your phone but weren't sure how to do it? Maybe you are switching to a new device, selling your phone, or just want to get rid of an old account. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and the easiest way to remove a Google account or Gmail account from your Android phone in just a few simple steps, so let's get started. Guys, first off, we need to open up our Android device's settings app. The easiest way to do so is just swipe down from the top of the screen, just like that, and then hit right here at that gear. Now at settings, we need to scroll down all the way until we find the option which is called Accounts and Backup on my device. On yours, it might be called something like Accounts. Just enter this setting, and here at the top you will find the option Manage Accounts. That's where we can easily find all the accounts associated with our device, such as Gmail accounts, Google Meet accounts, maybe some Telegram, WhatsApp, maybe some another accounts. And now we need to tap at the Google account we are going to delete. I'm gonna choose that one. And once inside, look for this Remove Account button. Now I'm just gonna tap on it, and it will say that removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. To continue, just hit right here where it says Remove Account to remove it from your device. Keep in mind that it is not going to delete the account itself, it will just kind of unlink it from your device. Before proceeding, just make sure that you have backed up all the important data if it is needed, and you are not accidentally removing an account you still use. If you are sure, tap right here at Remove Account, and your Google account will be completely removed from your phone. And basically that's it, and now you know how to remove Google account from your phone quickly and easily. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments why you needed to remove your Google account.